What's up, brothers? I'm back in Germany and I want to give you a quick update. Bitcoin, and I posted today on my Twitter channel, breaking CNN reports the president of Ukraine, Vladimir Zelensky, said Ukraine has been informed that Wednesday, February 16, will be the day of attack. What the fuck? It's only what I say can. What the fuck? So, and right after, when I posted it, I turned off the EMA ribbon. We saw right after this news came out. It's not because of my post, because of the news, obvious. We saw this dump in this Bitcoin price, right? But still, we see Bitcoin consolidating, and we see this. Yes, this is quite high volatility, in my opinion, yes. But we don't see this huge break to the up or to the downside, and we are still into the EMA ribbon. Right now, I didn't check what are the Fed news, because I landed just 1 hour ago and came here. Maybe you know it, guys, but I think it's even more right now on a higher level. It's more important what will happen with this conflict between Russia and USA, because it's getting crazy. This is so stupid, this whole fucking war. But if you study the whole economic thing, you understand why a war makes sense. Because it's another topic, but this is what we have to watch for our trades, right? So I am still in my short position right now. It's 1% only in profit, $61. Yes, we could see still, like I said to you, for the day trader, if we break above the EMA ribbon and close a clearly 4-hourly candle above, we can see pump to 43,700 even, right? Because we see here resistance, support, resistance, right? But also, what is important to watch, because the more often we are retesting this support level, the more likely is it that we break it down, right? So please beware of it. And I personally making decision based on the technical analysis and the news. So please beware of it. There is an upside, right, to I see approximately maybe 2.3%, but the downside is even more, because if we are breaking this green box, we see Bitcoin at even now 4,300, right? Because of this white support line. It's 5.6%. It's in 10x leverage, even 56%. Or we go even more down, because we have to watch the news, what will happen. I don't hope that there will be a war. This will be horrible. We will even more dumping to 9.1 to 39,000, 9.1%, 91% on 10x leverage, right? So guys, also important, if you want to trade, I want to show you 8,200 in profit after initial deposit. Link down below, 1 minute registration, please, only for professional trader. If you're not professional, claim your bonus 8,200 after initial deposit and just use it to buying through spot. Also, what is very important for us to watch, guys, I'm not financial advisor, I'm not Nostradamus, I'm only telling you what I'm seeing here, and which I decision based on what doing, right? So I told you this resistance line, I told you if we are clearly breaking above, this would mean that we will see a pump in the stock market, and this would mean we will see also a pump in crypto market, right? We see small fake out, and we broke again to the downside, and it looks very, very bad, right? It looks very, very bad, and I think we could make even more. We could retest the previous bottom. It's even 2.1%. It's for stock market huge, 2.1%. So we could see a further dump here, which would have an effect on the crypto market, even though if it's not one day by day, but it will have maybe one day later or in the same time. This is what you have also to consider here. So therefore, I'm based on all this information, based on the news, guys, based on the technical analysis, I'm still in my short position. I will hold my short position, 2.5% in profit right now, 25,000 in contract size, 140 dollar in profit. So please be very careful. Also, I wanted to show you and say to you that is also very important to know. Just a moment, where's the volume? I don't see the volume. Yes. It's also very important for you to know, guys, that why it's showing so stupid. Wait a minute. Something is yeah, it's not something wrong, it's only crazy how low the volume is. So if we are watching here on the maybe I go on the daily, we see it even better. Just a moment, something's wrong here. Let me go here on the 4 hourly. Yes. If I'm going here in the fall in, and you see I'm still here, have an eye on our Wyckoff accumulation. I didn't forget it, because if we are breaking down and create a new lower low, then our Wyckoff accumulation is still valid. And if you want that I cover it in the next video, write it down below, guys. I will cover it in the next video. What is much more important, I want to say, we see here a volatility, right, in the market, but not a huge, even this small pump. What is more important, we see the volume at whole, the volume is decreasing, but the price movement, we don't see much price movement, right? So what that mean? That mean that we will see, if we see that volume is more and more declining, it means that we will see a huge breakout to the down or to the upside. Right now I am still thinking to the downside. I'm still bearish. It's like I'm saying to you for weeks. I think I'm the only one YouTuber who's not switching his opinion right and left, even though it's not a guarantee that I'm right. But until now, perfectly everything worked out, right? I told you exactly, guys. I told you here. I told you on the daily when I saw this daily close here. I told you we will see pump, right? We will see this pump here, this daily, because this is the second bullish candle. We saw here this pump. I told you here, I told exactly the top view. Why I called it? It's not because I'm super genius. I am super genius, but it's because of the RSI, right? It was clearly overbought. It was clear that we will see this dump. And then I told you also here, if we are going on the 4 hourly, if we are breaking this support line, because you see it's here support, 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 we will see dump. And this is exactly what we did, right? And some of you guys wrote also in the comments that they make here a lot of profits, and I also. So right now we have to watch. If we're breaking this box, we will see a further dump. And I would personally right now clear, I have a big eye on the news, what will happen further with Russia and USA, because it's more, the more it's heating up, the more we will see the whole market are dumping. So please be here very careful. And yes, I'm still in my short position. If you also want to trade 8,200 in bonus after initial deposit on Bybit and Phoenix 1 minute registration, guys. Guys, I will go now sleep because I'm really tired. It's here in Germany 12 o'clock, I think. In Dubai time it's 3 o'clock even. So if you have any questions, write down below. I will consider it in the next video. And tell me your opinion. What do you think? And tell not your opinion like I think like this or like that. Say your opinion based on something, because I make my opinions or what I'm doing based on news and on technical analysis. Tell me your arguments if you're thinking we go up or downside. So guys, I kiss you. I see you tomorrow. Mwah.